eBrands Global OI is a platform that's starting to grab attention in the world of digital business services. But before you rush into making a purchase, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 key points that'll give you a clearer picture of what eBrands Global OI offers and whether it's the right fit for your business. Let's dive right in. This is important if you want to make an informed decision before buying. Next thing to consider, eBrands. Global OI positions itself as a comprehensive tool for growing your business online. Unlike some competitors, it covers a range of services like brand management, marketing strategies, and e-commerce solutions all in one place. While platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce focus primarily on e-commerce, eBrands Global OI aims to offer a more holistic approach, integrating branding and marketing into the mix. So you're not just setting up an online store, you're building your brand online from the ground up. The third thing to note, it's an easy-to-use platform. One of the major selling points of eBrands Global OI is its user-friendly interface. Setting up your store, managing your brand, and launching campaigns is relatively intuitive. This is a huge advantage for smaller businesses or startups that don't have the tech expertise to handle complex tools. Compared to platforms like Wix or Squarespace, which are also pretty user-friendly, eBrands Global OI stands out with its specific focus on digital branding combined with e-commerce. The fourth thing that you need to know is the pricing model. While it's tempting to compare the price directly to competitors like Shopify or WooCommerce, eBrands Global OI has a more customized approach. They have different pricing tiers depending on the services and features you need, which can be more flexible than the more rigid pricing structures of competitors. The key thing to remember here is that if you're just starting, you won't have to commit to a hefty subscription upfront. There's flexibility for businesses of all sizes. But if you want the full suite of tools and premium features, the price will go up. So it's important to evaluate what features you really need. Next thing, customer support. One area where eBrands Global OI shines is its customer service. Users report fast response times and knowledgeable support staff who can help with technical issues or strategy advice. This can be a game changer if you're new to digital marketing or scaling your business. While platforms like Shopify are known for solid customer service, it's important to highlight that eBrands Global OI seems to go the extra mile in making sure users have access to expert help whenever they need it. The sixth thing to keep in mind is integrations. eBrands Global OI offers a decent range of integrations with third-party tools, but it's not as extensive as some competitors, like Shopify or WooCommerce. While Shopify has thousands of integrations with apps for inventory, accounting, and email marketing, eBrands Global OI offers a more curated selection. That means if you're using a niche tool that isn't supported, you might need to look into custom integrations or API work. However, for most businesses, the integrations offered should be sufficient. And finally, the last thing you should know, scalability. eBrands Global OI is built to grow with your business. Whether you're a small startup or an established brand looking to expand, the platform has features that will help you scale. However, it's important to know that as your business grows, you may eventually outgrow the platform if you need more specialized solutions. In this sense, eBrands Global OI is best suited for businesses that are looking for a holistic, user-friendly solution to start with and want to scale with some flexibility without diving into a complicated system from day one. Now, if you're still considering whether eBrands Global OI is the right choice for you, here's the thing. You can try it out completely free by clicking the first link in the description. It's a great way to see if the platform fits your needs without committing right away. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive benefits when you sign up through that link. So, don't miss out. Try eBrands Global OI today and get started with your free trial.